Miss Stewart, can you let people in as we go?
Already doing it.
Woohoo! Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Miss Washington's computer is not working, so I'm sharing the screen with Miss Hinchin today.
All right, here we are, House Assembly, live from Miss Hinchin's office. Woo!
So today we're going to continue learning what a learner is. Every week we're going to go over what a learner is. And so to help us remember what a good learner is, we remember the acronym SLANT. It means S, sit up straight. L, listen carefully. A, ask and answer questions. N, nod your head yes or no. And T, track the speaker. Also, we are reminded of our Assembly Champs behavior. C, conversation level is at a 0. H, if you need help, raise your hand. A, your activity level is that you're listening. M, movement is that you're sitting on your pockets. P, participation, you applause when necessary. And S, when you do all of these things, you show that you're a successful audience member. Remember that we're all 5 wonderful houses, but we attend one great school. And now for our Hearn Elementary pledge. I come to school to learn and lead. Hearn Elementary is where you soar. Safe, on task, act responsibly, respect self and others. It's a great day to soar.
Okay, friends, it's time for roll call. And guys, I'm still waiting on more house videos. Make sure you send us house videos for different chants. But in the meantime, between time, Miss Jenkins' class is going to lead us in our chants. All right, up first is the Fuma house. If you're in the Fuma's house, stand up and represent. 1, 2, 3.
We are Fuma, we are strong. Let's go scream and shout our song. We so good, we will not rest.
All right, great job, Fuma. Let's see how many house points you're going to get for this week.
All right, I'm going to spin the wheel.
Spinning, spinning, spinning. Let's see how lucky the Fuma house is this week. Okay, 75 points. We'll take it. All right, our next house is the Zidania house. If you're ready, stand up and represent for your house. 1, 2, 3.
In a heart, we're gonna win this thing. With a spirit in our face, smile in our face. We'll see it all over the place. Yeah, we will rock you. We will rock you.
Okay, friends, I need you to mute yourselves so we'll be able to hear. Put yourselves on mute. Thank you. All right, Daniel, let's give it a spin. How many house points will Zidania get? Let's go, Lucky Green. What do we got? Woo! 100 points. Good job, Zidania. All right, our next group is Shazar. If you're in the Shazar group, stand up and represent. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yellow, yellow, like the sun.
We're number
one. Yellow, yellow, we ain't mellow. Make your chin look like jello. Yellow, yellow, like the sun. We're so bright, come get your sun.
All right, good job, Shazar house. Let's see how many house points you're going to get for this week. Give it a spin, Miss Hinchin. All right, 25 points. All right, Shazar, great job. Okay, next we have the Matsuwila house. If you're in the Matsuwila house, stand up and represent. 1, 2, 3.
Extra. Read all about it. Matsuwila gonna win and everything about it. We're rough, we're tough, we're hard to beat. Come on, Orange, let's move our feet.
All right, Matsuwila. Great job. Let's see how many house points you're gonna get this week. Oh,
Not working.
go back, Miss Hinchin. We're gonna go to the other link. There we go. All right, Matsuwila, we're giving it a spin. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Let's see what we got. 75 house points. Great job. All right, our next house, which is our last house, is the Zuzong house. If you're in the Zuzong house, stand up and represent. 1, 2, 3. All right, Red House. Let's see how many house points you're gonna get this week. Give it a spin, Miss Hinchin. Come on, big numbers, big numbers, big numbers. 100 points. But guess what, guys? Miss Washington has a big surprise. So don't click yet, Miss Hinchin. Because it's the last Friday of the month of March, we are going to, give me a drum roll. Click it, Miss Hinchin, click it. We are going to double your house points, friends. So if you got 100 house points on our spin, you actually earned 200 points. So we're going to double all of your points based on the spin that we just did for your house. So it is double points Friday today. Great job, friends. Okay, so according to last week's total, Zidania, you had 325 spin points, 80 student of the week points, which gives you a grand total of 405 points. Zuzong, last week's total, you got 250 spin points, 60 student of the week points, which gives you a grand total of 310 points. Great job, Zuzong. Fuma, last week's total, 375 spin points, 60 house student points, which gives you a grand total of 435 points. Right now, Fuma, you're in the lead. Well, let's see what Matsuwila had last week. Matsuwila had 250 spin points, 80 student of the week points, which gives them a grand total of 330 points. Shazar, you had 200 spin points last week. You had 200 house student points. Wow, which gives you a grand total of 400 points. Oh my gosh. But guys, it's not over yet. We still have a few more weeks before the end of the 6 weeks to determine who our winner will be. Good luck to all of the houses.
All right, it's now time for House Students of the Week. Let's find out who's adding to those house point totals. In pre-K, we have Jose, who's representing the greenhouse, Zidania. In kinder, we have Zane, who is representing Zuzong. In first grade, we have Amari, who also is representing Zuzong. In second grade, we have Anaya, who is representing Shazar. Ayana, I'm sorry. In third grade, we have Mariano, who is representing Masuila. In fourth grade, we have Estefany, who is also Estefani, who is also representing Masuila. In fifth grade, we have Alasia, who is representing Shazar. And in sixth grade, we have Jazaria, who is also representing Shazar. Great job, friends.
All right, guys, don't forget your house point spins gave you double the points. Don't forget, it's going to be double the house point spins, okay? All right, friends, it is game time. And if you would like, you can participate in the chat. So this game is telling you where would you find the missing animals. It's kind of a camouflage game, so you got to look really hard to find the animal in the picture. Are we ready? All right, let's go. Okay, picture number one. Ooh, do you see an animal? Is it on the left? Is it on the right? Is it on the top? Is it on the bottom? What do you think, friends? Left, right, top, bottom. Okay, it was on the right. Cool. All right, picture number two. Where is the lion? Ooh, look very hard. Is it on the left? Is it on the right? Top or bottom? All right. What do you think it is, guys? It's on the left. Woo! Did you see it, Miss Hinton?
I did. I'm very excited. Sorry.
All right, number three. Where is the grasshopper? Ooh, that one's kind of hard. Ooh, grasshopper.
Oh, I see it.
Left, right, top, and bottom, friends. Let me see it in the
it.
chat.
I see it.
Let me see it in the chat. Oh, I see it, Miss Hinton.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's on the right. Woo! You got it. Give yourself a point. All right, next one. Where is the bear? Bear? Ooh. Oh, left, right, top, or bottom? Where is the? I see him.
I see it.
I see him. What do we got? Oh, all right. Good job. Mr. What are some answers in the chat? Where is the whale? Do we see it? No one's chatting with us?
Oh, we
Oh,
got
yeah.
Oh, we got some
Someone
chat.
says in the middle.
Oh, they sit in the middle?
Middle, yes.
Okay, let's see if they're right. In the middle.
I don't see it.
I don't see it either.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, what is that?
A whale tail.
It's the tail.
Oh, that one was hard. Where's the dog? Let's see. Oh, I don't see a dog. Left, right, up, down, middle. What are they saying in the chat? This one's hard.
They said left top.
At the top, someone said
Left top, someone said.
Oh.
Left top.
the top face.
Right there.
Oh, okay. All right. Where is the seahorse, friends? Seahorse. Left, right, top or bottom. I don't.
Oh, I see it.
I do, Miss Hitchens.
Left bottom is what they're saying. I
Left
see it.
bottom. Good.
They
I
are
see
good.
it.
All right, last one, friends. All right, one more. Where is the snail? Oh my gosh, a snail? Any answers, Miss Stewart?
Middle. They're saying middle.
Middle? Is that a snail right there? A snail?
Everyone's saying middle.
Middle. Let's see if they're right. No, it was in the middle. It's kind of at the bottom. Oh, that one was hard.
I do not see
Okay,
that.
one more.
Okay, good.
Last one, Miss Hinton. Oh, This is
Butterfly.
getting harder. Where's the butterfly?
I see it.
You what?
They're
Okay,
saying on the right. Oh, I see it. I see it.
on the right.
I
Okay,
see it.
I see it
Think
now.
yellow. Think yellow.
Good job. Okay, friends, that was super fun. All right. Miss Stewart, you're up.
Oops. Sorry.
Miss Hinch is playing the game again.
I was having so much fun.
All right, boys and girls, just a weekend message for you guys. Make sure you're staying safe, have fun. The weather is so pretty out there, and I hope it stays that way this weekend. But still remember that we're not completely over the pandemic. So still mask up, still stay your distance, still wash those hands, and just be safe. We want to finish out the year strong. We want to see all of you back. And so make sure you're staying safe on the weekends, okay? Have a great weekend.
Enjoy your weekends, friends.
You too.
Bye.
Goodbye.